Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, this is going to be my review on this Kovryx heavy duty wagon, okay? So this collapsible wagon is from Kovryx. And so let's start off with the factual stuff first. This wagon basically weighs around 11 pounds, whereas other wagons, I've used my fair share of collapsible wagons when it comes to carrying groceries inside or basically going camping. And usually those wagons may weigh anywhere from like 15 to 20 pounds. So this is on the lighter end as far as it being able to weigh 11 pounds. Now, with this wagon, it does claim that it's able to hold 360 pounds altogether. I don't plan on putting that much weight, just know that it can carry a decent amount of weight. Now, with this wagon in particular also, the dimensions are as follows. So it's about 17 inches by 31 inches this way by 18 inches tall with the wheels on. Now, it also has a telescopic handle, and the handle does go up to about 42 inches. And so let's actually show you how this works. So you basically just pull this up, and it's not like a carry-on telescopic handle, okay? And what I mean by that is, in order to actually retract and retract this, you've got to press the metal fringes that you see here, and it'll be able to go down. And if you pull it back up, it retracts again. However, if you press on this again and pull it up even further, the handle is actually going to detach, and I'll go over shortly why that's important. Now, it does have a telescopic handle, as I mentioned, and one thing I like about it is this auto spring that basically makes it return back to its original position. So just like that. And this right here is a feature that shouldn't be overlooked, just because I've used wagons where if you let go of the handle, it just falls onto the floor. And I've actually had a wagon before whose handle actually broke because if you simply just let go of the handle, it would just fall and hit the floor and crack. So this spring feature where it actually goes ahead and returns to its upright position is actually pretty neat, okay? Now, in addition to that, this wagon was very, very easy to set up, okay? It took me less than a minute. Everything just locks into place. The wheels lock into place. Very, very easy to set up, literally 1 to 2 minutes. Now, as far as the carrying inside the wagon goes, okay, this can hold carry-ons, it can hold coolers, it can hold groceries. I have here an 18-gallon tote, and if you were to place this inside the wagon, you can see that it actually does fit the 18-gallon tote. Now, imagine that you have a multiple 18-gallon totes filled up. You can stack them on top of each other, and you can pull it with this wagon. Now, with the wheels, okay, with this being a heavy-duty collapsible wagon, I want to mention that the wheels are meant to be all-terrain. But the way that they're designed is that they can't really easily be broken. So if I tip this over, you can see that these wheels, it's rugged. Okay, they're rugged wheels. It's not like the metal piece here is going to break, unlike, let's say, carry-on luggages, where it's sometimes this piece here is very common to break. But the wheels themselves, I can actually see why they're considered heavy duty. And as far as collapsing the wagon goes, if we pull this up, it's going to collapse just like that. Now, they do have handles on both sides, so you can just hold the wagon just like that as well. And if you want to collapse the handle, you just got to press this button here, and the handle will actually go ahead and collapse just like that. Now, the one thing I wish that this wagon had was I wish I had like a Velcro here to kind of keep the handle together. But I don't think it has that. So looking at both sides, all you have is the handle here and then the handle here as well. So I wish there was like a Velcro strap to kind of keep the wagon close together. It's also got mesh pockets down over here. You can place miscellaneous things like water bottles and such. But overall, I'd say this is a pretty decent wagon, okay? I'm very, very happy with it. I've had no problems with it whatsoever. Check it out for yourself.